Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Inquisitive. This is Moto G64 and today I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this phone. First go to settings and then scroll down to the system. Now go to reset option. Here you will find 5 resetting options, and at the bottom here is the erase all data factory reset option, and there are 4 other options which is the reset option for specific settings. First one is resetting the mobile network option settings. If you mess up anything with the mobile network settings, you can reset this without resetting the whole device. To perform the reset option, you have to confirm your pin pattern or password. And the second one is reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If you want to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can reset from here. Third one is reset device settings. This will reset your battery settings, display settings and storage settings. This will not erase your storage, but this will reset your storage preferences and display preferences, such as your timeout settings, display timeout, etc. And fourth one is reset app preferences. This will reset your downloaded and system apps options you have customized, but this will not erase your data. And last one is the whole device factory reset settings. This will erase all your data from your phone, including your Google account settings, all your Google accounts on the device, system and app data and settings, all downloaded apps and the system apps data will be erased, and all downloaded apps will be uninstalled, and all the music, photo and other files you have saved in your phone's internal storage will be erased. The phone will be as you purchased. When you have purchased the phone, this will go to that new state when you have purchased the device. Everything will be erased, and you have to reconfigure all the settings and download all the apps. Your saved phone number and messages will also be erased, so backup everything before doing the whole factory reset. And after backing up everything, tap on the erase all data, then confirm your password, then read the warning and tap on erase all data again. Then it may take few minutes. The phone will restart. And before doing the resetting, make sure you have at least 20 or 30% battery. If your phone has not that enough charge to perform the factory reset, if it turn off during the procedure, it may dead or malfunction. So make sure you have enough power. Here the factory reset done. Now you have to configure the device again. Choose the language. This is the process of doing factory reset for Moto G64 and many other Motorola device. So thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more